Welcome back, savvy shoppers. If you love scoring great deals and never want to miss out on your favorite finds, you're in the right place. Today, I'm bringing you an urgent and exclusive list. 17 Walmart items that are flying off the shelves and may be gone before you know it. These aren't just any products, they're customer favorites, essentials, and even a few hidden gems that are quickly disappearing. Some of the most popular products you rely on every week are vanishing, and once they're gone, there's no telling if or when they'll ever return. Whether it's due to supply chain issues, seasonal changes, or product discontinuations, these items are becoming harder to find. If you're a regular Walmart shopper, or even if you just pop in occasionally, you'll want to pay close attention and make sure you don't miss out on any of these must-have items, from classic breakfast cereals and essential baby wipes to limited edition snacks and household staples. These disappearing products could seriously impact your next shopping trip and your daily routine. Stick around until the very end. Some of the items on this list will absolutely shock you, and you won't want to miss a single one. So let's jump right in and discover the 17 Walmart items you need to grab before they're gone for good. Get ready to make your shopping list. First up, let's talk about great value Honey Nut O's cereal, a beloved breakfast staple that's been a go-to for families, students, and cereal lovers everywhere. For years, this affordable and tasty cereal has been a comforting presence on Walmart shelves, offering a sweet, crunchy start to the day without breaking the bank. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite before work or packing a bowl for your kids, Honey Nut O's has been there for countless busy mornings. But now, Walmart is about to discontinue it, sending shockwaves through loyal fans who have made it part of their daily routine. The reason behind this sudden change? Walmart is shifting supplier contracts and making room for newer, trendier cereal options. As the company updates its inventory, some classics are being pushed aside to make way for fresh faces in the cereal aisle. Parents rely on Honey Nut O's for quick, nutritious breakfasts, while college students appreciate its affordability and convenience. It's a cereal that bridges generations, making mornings easier for everyone. News of the discontinuation has sparked a frenzy online. Social media is buzzing with posts from fans sharing memories, hunting for remaining boxes, and expressing their disappointment. Some shoppers are even organizing cereal hunts to track down the last few boxes. If you happen to spot Honey Nut O's on the shelf, don't hesitate. Fill your cart while you still can. This classic cereal is disappearing fast, and soon it'll be nearly impossible to find. Once it's gone, all that will remain are memories of those sweet, crunchy mornings. The great value. Honey Nut O's cereal crisis is real, so grab a box before it's too late. Next up, we have the Equate Beauty Facial Cleansing Towelettes, a true cult favorite among skincare enthusiasts who love quick, convenient, and affordable solutions. For years, these wipes have been a go-to for anyone looking to remove makeup, freshen up after a long day, or simply keep their skin feeling clean and refreshed without breaking the bank. But now, in a surprising move, Walmart is discontinuing these beloved wipes as they make room for new branded skincare products on their shelves. This change has left many loyal customers disappointed and scrambling to find alternatives. These wipes were consistently praised for their effectiveness at removing dirt and makeup, their gentle formula suitable for sensitive skin, and of course, their unbeatable price point. For many, they were a staple in daily routines. As word spreads about their discontinuation, fans are already rushing to grab them in bulk, both online and in stores, hoping to stockpile enough to last until they can find a worthy replacement. If you swear by these wipes and can't imagine your skincare routine without them, now's the time to act. Don't wait until they're completely gone. Don't let this one slip by. Make sure to grab a few packs before they vanish from shelves for good. Once they're gone, they might be gone forever. Your skincare routine might never be the same without them, so take action now and secure your stash before it's too late. Grill Masters, bad news. Sam's Choice. Black Angus beef patties are being discontinued. Known for their quality and flavor, these patties are a BBQ favorite. Walmart is shifting to new frozen meat options, leaving these behind. Fans are searching multiple stores for remaining stock. If you love a good burger, now's your last chance to load up. Don't let your next cookout miss out on these classics. Parents' Choice diapers are about to disappear from Walmart shelves. Affordable and reliable, these diapers have been a lifesaver for many families. Walmart is moving toward premium and eco-friendly options, causing frustration among parents. If you rely on Parents' Choice, stock up now before they're gone. Don't get caught off guard on diaper duty. Great Value Organic Ketchup, a staple for health-conscious families, is being pulled from Walmart. It's tangy, organic, and affordable, but Walmart is making room for trendier products. Shoppers are searching for alternatives as shelves empty. If you love this ketchup, grab a few bottles while you can. Keep your fries and burgers happy before it's too late. Marketside fresh guacamole, creamy, flavorful, and made with real avocados, is being phased out. Supply chain issues and new snack options are likely to blame. Fans are racing to grab the last tubs. If you want the perfect dip or sandwich spread, act fast. Don't let this party favorite disappear from your fridge. Equate ibuprofen tablets, affordable and effective, are being discontinued as Walmart revamps its health lineup. Customers are disappointed, saying these matched name brands at a lower price. Stock up now for your medicine cabinet before they're gone. Don't wait until you need them. Great Value frozen mixed vegetables, easy, healthy, and budget-friendly, are on their way out. Walmart is focusing on new blends and premium options, leaving this classic behind. If you rely on these for quick meals, grab them while you can. Your freezer will thank you. Sam's Choice. Italian-style meatballs, tasty and easy, are being removed from Walmart's frozen food lineup. Fans are disappointed to lose this reliable dinner option. If you spot them, grab a few bags for your next pasta night. Don't miss out on this Italian favorite. They won't last long. Parents' Choice. Baby wipes, gentle, affordable, and trusted, are being discontinued. Walmart is moving to new baby care brands, leaving these wipes behind. Parents are stocking up before the last packs disappear. Grab them now for your kids or quick cleanups. Great Value Light Mayonnaise, classic taste with fewer calories, is being discontinued. Health-conscious shoppers are disappointed and starting to hoard jars. If you love light mayo, grab a few extra next time you shop. Don't wait until it's gone for good. Equate allergy relief tablets, affordable and effective, are being phased out at Walmart. Customers are noticing empty shelves and rushing to find alternatives. If you suffer from allergies, stock up before they disappear. You'll thank yourself when pollen season hits. Marketside Caesar Salad Kit, quick, fresh, and tasty, is being removed from Walmart's lineup. Fans of easy, healthy lunches are disappointed. Grab a few kits for your next salad night before they're gone. They won't last long. Great Value Cheddar cheese, a staple for families, is being discontinued as Walmart resets its dairy products. Fans are searching for alternatives, but nothing matches the original. Cheese lovers, grab a few packs while you still can. Your recipes will thank you. Sam's Choice. Thin crust pizza, crispy and delicious, is being discontinued in Walmart's frozen foods overhaul. Pizza lovers are stocking up before it's gone for good. Don't miss your chance for a tasty, affordable pizza night. Grab a few boxes while you can. Equate hand sanitizer, once a pandemic essential, is being phased out as demand drops. Shoppers are noticing empty spaces in the health aisle. If you want to keep a stash, now's your chance before it disappears. Great value. Apple juice, a family favorite for years, is being discontinued as Walmart revamps its beverage section. Families are grabbing the last bottles they can find. If you want one more glass, pick some up before it's gone. Don't let this staple slip away. You'll miss it once it's off the shelves. That's the list. 17 Walmart items disappearing fast, so check your local store before they're gone. If you see your favorites, now's the time to stock up. Found this video helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. I'll keep you in the loop so you never miss out on must-haves again. Until next time, happy shopping and may your cart always be full.